And me and someone else put in this ceiling fan up here, and I'm about to test it with you. I've already turned this on before and I know it works. Oh my goodness! Scary fly this ginormous fly just landed on me. Okay. This is a nice shed, but it just got better. I was scared as well when it wobbled. This wobbles so much. This is high speed. That's the flight. This is remote controlled, so I'm not going to show you the switches. Remote control. And this takes ages to spin down. All fans do. It spins down after a while. You should have seen yesterday. There was a wasp. And I have another surprise for you. And I'm going to show you it now. Look at this. An old fan. So, the reason that there's no, holders up there is because you have to, put it on. So what this is it's the part of the fan that goes in like this. I'll show you. And then, that goes on the ceiling. And you can see it's a perfect fit for this rod right here. I cannot show you the one up on the roof there. I'll show you why I cannot show you. So the reason I cannot show you is because it's on top of the motor. It's on top of the motor and it's put up very high. I'm gonna move the ladder. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye everybody.